Then you never know what's up hard. The girl them a call and a ball and a lily link from girl from New Zealand, Canada, New York, love worst game of reaction. Girl from Puffy, Portland, Nochi, St. Ann, St. Mary's, Lily Linton, girls, Hill, Gal, Tigo, Gal, Deville, Jungle, Tivoli, Rona, Lily Linton. Actually, factually, you know it's different about representing for Jamaica's worst game. Are you hear me, man?
Yo, 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 yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica's Game here with another reaction. Ooh. And today, guys, we're here with Legal Conflict. Yes, man. Legal Conflict. Pick up yourself, Legal. With two Duppy. Yes, two Duppies. And this song, we see the thumbnail. I could talk about the thumbnail for a second. We see the thumbnail. No. Go back there, sir. Go there, sir. Thumbnail. All right. We see Legal Conflict up, so. Two Duppy, Legal Conflict. Legal. Me not like the thumbnail. I tell you the truth, bro. I like the thumbnail. The thumbnail look way off, bro. Hope the song is bad. Cause the thumbnail, me not like the thumbnail. The thumbnail could have been a lot better. So the person who made the thumbnail, if you go back to the drawing board and deal with something different. You see me? A war song, yes. A war song in a full white, brother. You feel one soldier sitting put. You see me? A wartime, brother. I know flossing time. I know party time with two guns in a hand. You know, say they from the West was one, but come on, bro. Like, yes, all right. So we see Ira, Savage, we see Rhyme Minister, we see Cargo, we see Rhino, and we see Hot Frost. All right. So we see what? 6 artists. All right, 6 artists. I get it. I could see Wagwan 9. Let's see Wagwan. So Wagwan 9. Yeah, but I'm just being honest, bro. I don't like the thumbnail. So the thumbnail can remake again. Big up the person who get a try, but it can remake again. For me, it can remake again. You see me? Yeah. If I even bungle them up together, like bungle up everybody done us together, yeah, something off with it. And the picture in the middle, there's something off with it. So let's hope the song is better than the thumbnail. Let's go.
You feel dead from this assassin and your this is a lady done
Hold on, man. Say Cargo start war and I say him can't bother. Him say Cargo fi dead from him this assassin and dada. Remember say Cargo and assassin did a war one time. If you know want me do a full breakdown of them song, they make me know. Cargo and Sizzla did a war, which me don't tell you from Black in the days. Sizzla and Cargo war too. Cargo is not a normal opponent, my friend. Cargo is not a normal opponent. Cargo not afraid of nobody, yeah? Cargo not afraid of nobody. That's a tell that. So let's go.
You dead from this assassin and your this is a lady done dada. Yo, you and the minister go there. A gunshot to fling up in a enemy. Oh, your name Sky God, make me show you how the killer fly bad. Blood clot, when you start, you know the rifle, let me chop on every can. I know you're not no killer, and no gun, your body's water down, you gonna gun. The lane and the man get kinda down, and if you feel you're frisky, you can go run church minister, boy, you know.
Right, Minister, get peace too.
You feel dead from this assassin and your this is a lady done dada.
Alright then.
You and the minister go there. A gunshot to fling up in an enemy.
A war time.
Sky God, make me show you how the killer fly bad. Blood clot, when you start, you know the rifle, let me chop on every can. I know you're not no killer, and no gun, your body's water down, you gonna gun. The lane and the man get kinda down, and if you feel you're frisky, you can go run church minister, boy, you not leave no rifle. Man, them will kill your family, them you go try to make come.
Bumbo clot. The Rhyme Minister get it rough just so. So he might tell Rhyme Minister say, yo, brother, you don't have no gun, and you don't have no killer on your foot. You are no killer neither. Because the man them will kill your family, and them you figure try and defend it with. So we see blame them come on TikTok come talk a bag of things. But Rhyme Minister family they, get gunshot and them call one next youth and one bag of mix up. That is not my scene. So I'm over here. I'm just stating what's happening over there. You know what I mean? Yeah.
Minister boy, you know, let me chop on every can. I know you're not no killer, and no gun, your body's water down, you gonna gun. The lane and the man get kinda down, and if you feel you're frisky, you can go run church. Minister boy, you know, leave no rifle. Man, them will kill your family, them you go try to make come yourself a shot. Pussy, well, I'm in the idol. Mother die, every scripture in the Bible. Dad. Lift up my gun, the mommy load, the mommy ready. Shot go through your door, me crack his skull, you gonna bury the minister, and a rhyme. Give my lime, you're not ready, kill a tap in the
The minister nah no rhyme, give him a lime, you're not ready. Rhyme, lime. Lime of rhyme, when you peel a rhyme. when you peel a citrus fruit, which is a lime, orange, grapefruit, whatever, and you squeeze it, it have rhyme in it. You see rhyme come out. So you never say, yo, rhyme minister, you know no rhyme. Give him a lime. Lime, I go give him some rhyme. Blood clot. Rhyme minister! You get the whole right there, brother.
You feel dead from a this assassin and your this is a lady done brother.
You sang brother on the thumbnail for sure. Yeah, man.
You want the minister go there. A gunshot to fling up in a enemy. Oh, your name Sky God, make me show you how the killer fly back.
Ready?
After when you start, you know the rifle, let me chop on every can. I know you're not no killer, and no gun. Your body's water down, you gonna gun. The lane and the man get kinda down. And if you feel you're frisky, you can go run church. Minister, boy, you not leave no rifle. Man, them will kill your family, them you fi go try to me come here so fi shot. Pussy, well, I'm in a idol. Mother die, every scripture in the Bible. Die. Lift up my gun, the mommy load, the mommy ready. Shot go through your door, me crack his skull, you gonna bury the minister and a rhyme. Give my lime, you're not ready. Kill a tap in the terrorist, kill his and it and the sheriff. Now wait pan the gang and me alone, I go defend it and up with.
Man say now wait pan the gang and I am alone, I go defend it. Him say, rhyme minister badness drop a gun in already yet.
In the terrorist, kill his and it and the sheriff. Now wait pan the gang.
Kill the senator and the sheriff. Kill the senator, Gaza senator. Senator as a savage.
Rhyme, give my lime, you're not ready. Kill a tap in the terrorist, kill his and it and the sheriff. Now wait pan the gang and me alone, I go defend it and up with the rifle steady. Make it singing like berries, bright like dark perish. Shallow grave or cemetery, anywhere that cargo I go perish. I two Duppy there, pa me gonna know dog. And the boy them take the pillar, so me kill them and laugh. So me kill them and laugh. So me kill them and laugh. So me show off with them Duppy and Ghana. So me kill them and laugh.
Crucial!
So me kill them and laugh.
Legal! Ready again!
No feel safe a country, the bush them long go hide anyway, you them find a pussy all the fucking time up.
Man say cargo, but I feel like you're safe because a country there. A man, a girl, the villa there. The bush them can't hide your brother. Anyway, we are going to find you. I'm buying you, can't buy you. And I mean, say so now, illegal.
So me kill them and laugh. Hey boy cargo, no feel safe a country, the bush them long go hide anyway, you them find a pussy all the fucking time up. Francine goes up, me cock and that the bitch a wife up. Big artist, ton vlogger, too fucking eagle.
Francine goes, do what? Yeah, this cargo wife too poor Francine. Every time cargo in a war, every time cargo in a war with somebody, cargo wife always get disrespect. Yo, Francine, big up yourself, lady. Big up yourself. Big up yourself. But anyway, the man said, Francine sucking cock and that you got wife up cargo. Where Francine Dio legal? Where Francine Dio, my G? Where Francine Dio? Eh? Where the G wife Dio? Yo. And then him left off of that and then him go say, big artist on flagger, you too fucking eagle.
No feel safe a country, the bush them long go hide anyway, you them find a pussy all the fucking time up. Francine goes up, me cock and that the bitch a wife up. Big artist, ton vlogger, too fucking eagle. When him a feed the foul, them him see a motorcycle pull up spark from the break up, full him up a candlelight up.
Him say when cargo a feeling for them, cause I remember say cargo race chicken, you know. So he must say, yo, when cargo a feed him for them, motorbike pull up, a sparks from the breaker, him say light him up like a candle. Blood clot. More pull it up, I mean can't pull it up. Let's go.
No set up on funeral, nobody now go touch your wife up. Big artist, ton vlogger, too fucking eagle. When him a feed the foul, them him see a motorcycle pull up spark from the breaker, full him up a candlelight up. No set up on funeral, nobody now go find ya.
A shallow grave you get, you not get a proper send off, you not get a proper burial, you not get a proper funeral. No, you're not get no candle, no night or no funeral. You're not gonna, your body not go to church. Enough, they can't find you.
Him up a candlelight up, no set up on funeral, nobody not go find ya. I two Duppy there, but me gonna know dog. And the boy them take the pillar, so me kill them and laugh. So me kill them and laugh. So me kill them and laugh. So me show off with them Duppy and Ghana. So me kill them and laugh. So me kill them and laugh. Listen to the song, my right story after life, me like I'm big spliff as me ride. Me jump out from me ride, a big matty up on my side. And if you this a slide, me grow rough, not delicate like the vagina type. Make your white shirt turn.
Man saying grow rough, him not come like the vagina type, like a pussy. No, him grow rough. Yeah.
If you this a slide, me grow rough, not delicate like the vagina type. Make your white shirt turn red like a Valentine. Kill them, come full of style, full him up at the line. Everything on the dime. Everything on the when you start to know the rifle, let me chop on every can. I know you're not no killer, and no gun, your body smarter down, you gonna go. The lane and the man get gonna down, and if you feel you're frisky, you can go run church minister. Boy, you not live no rifle. Man, them a kill your family, them you fi go try to. Me come here so fi shot, pussy, well I'm in a eye. Mother die, every scripture in the Bible. Die.
Legal, really legal out here, bust out them face. For true. Legal, let me go back to the thumbnail, because it bother me. It bother me. Alright. We hear you talk about Rhyme Minister in the song. You get Savage a one binds and you get Cargo Wally Pite. Alright? So them three for the on the thumbnail. We know you're nothing about Ira, we know you're nothing about Rhino or Hot Frost. So if I were you, I would change up the thumbnail. Because it's misleading, bro. I would change up the thumbnail and give it to them three. You understand? Leave out him, and him. You understand? That is my option. Well, that is my opinion. Sorry, option. Fucking idiot about option. That is my opinion. You see me? Yeah. But the thumbnail itself I want to change up anyway, bro. So I would just do the right thing and just make the thumbnail better and put who actually get the binds them pan the thumbnail. Cause I'm not hear nothing about Hot Frost, I'm not hear nothing about Rhino. I'm not hear nothing about IRA neither. You understand? So yeah. If him say something about the artist them, I'm not hear it, please drop it in the comment section. But yeah. Me not hear no name call about them. Me hear Gaza Senator, me hear Rhyme Minister, me hear Cargo. Alright? So yeah, big up on yourself. Let me know what you guys think about this one, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Binds fire. Binds fire, double out. Binds fire for true. Binds fire.
You know this is Zone, the one and only, and watch now. Me represent for who? Jamaica's worst gamer.
Yo!
You think louder than promotion?
What more can I do?
Yeah, me come drop some more binds span them and do what? Def them.